Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2013 Nissan Dualis ST+2. Stock reference number 4877. The shape runs from the 10th month 2007 through to the 5th month 2014. It has an MR20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. MR20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, non-park sensor type. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front door appears to have no damage, as does the right guard. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, black vinyl centre console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average three-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.